a lot of people are talking right now about 2023. What's going to happen? There could be some opportunities, more deals on the market, definitely more than now there will be next year. James, how do people prepare for 2023?
Yeah, right now there's a pretty big spread between what buyers want to pay and what sellers want to accept. And so people are sort of waiting for interest rates to start their downward trajectory, either with the Fed pausing or the Fed pivoting downward. And so that's going to help a lot of buyers just get better interest rates on their debt. So that's going to be number one. In 2023, we're going to expect lower rates on these deals. The second thing is, right now, a lot of people just bought properties, right? So they bought a lot of properties in 2022, and some people use bridge loans, some people just use Fannie and Freddie floating rate loans, and those loans are just going to get more expensive with where interest rates are going on the federal funds and SOFR curve. And so for people who can't, handle that negative cash flow, they're going to be more of a seller or more motivated seller than they are right now.